Today we're going to talk about steering wheel slop and how to fix it, doing a quick 5-minute remedy here. So let me show you. Basically we got steering wheel slop here, and it's feeding into the power steering system here. And what you want to do is tighten this bolt right here, if you can see it. And I'm going to show you how to do that. Some cars you might have to take your wheel off to get access. This car, a 2000 Nissan Xterra, I don't, to get access to this screw right here. And you're gonna get your Allen key. This one's a 3/16. Okay, and you're gonna hold the Allen key while you turn the wrench. Hold on. So some cars turn clockwise, some turn counterclockwise. This one you turn clockwise and you just hold the wrench while you're turning it here. Basically you turn this adjustment screw here, and we're going to turn it about 1/8 of a turn, 1/8 to 1/4. So while you turn the wrench, you want to hold this steady. So we'll loosen it up. Alright, we've turned it about 1/8 here now, and let's see if it fixed it. Alright, so there's definitely less slop than before. Doesn't make that much difference with the car off, and when you're driving it's way less slop. Before it would drift into like lanes, but just a small adjustment, doesn't cost nothing. Your gears are starting to wear down, that's why it's getting loose, and you probably need to replace your parts. But anyways, easy fix, like 5 minutes to fix your power steering slop.